Hey, everybody, welcome back to Women's History Month. And today I'm going to highlight Sheila Johnson, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and history maker. Born in Pennsylvania, Sheila Johnson was a talented violinist and music educator before transitioning into business. Back in 1980, with her then husband, Robert Johnson, she co founded BET, Black Entertainment Television. This was the first cable network that prioritized and catered to the Black audience and revolutionized the media industry. When BET was sold to Viacom in 2001 for $3 billion, Sheila became the first Black woman billionaire in the US. And yes, that's even before Oprah Winfrey did. After this, she became the CEO of Salamander Hospitality, which is a luxury hotel and resort brand. After her split from Robert Johnson, Sheila went on to forge her own path as a powerhouse businesswoman. As CEO of Salamander Hospitality, she has built an impressive portfolio of prestigious properties, including the Salamander Resort and Spa in Middleburg, Virginia. But her influence extends beyond the industry of hospitality. She's also a partner in three Washington, D.C. teams, the Washington Wizards, Capitals, and Mystics, making her one of the only Black women in the country to hold ownership stakes in three major U.S. sports franchises. Despite her remarkable success, Sheila Johnson has not forgotten her commitment to giving back. Through her Sheila Johnson Foundation, she champions education, the arts, and the alleviation of poverty. She's also an advocate for women and minorities in business and uses her platform and influence to create opportunities for others. Sheila Johnson's story is one of vision, resilience, and generosity. She has shattered barriers and built an empire. She's continuing to inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs and leaders, proving that success isn't just about wealth, but in making a lasting impact. So, as you make your travel plans this year or even next year, consider one of her luxurious resorts, whether in Virginia, Washington, D.C., Aspen, Colorado, Florida, or even in Jamaica. We salute you, Sheila Johnson.